Install LG ThinQ app from the App Store or Play Store. Then sign in to ThinQ app if you are an existing user or register if you are a new user. Open the LG ThinQ app and click on Add Product. Choose the manual product selection option, either by scanning the product's QR code or selecting it manually. Now, click on Next. Select refrigerator from the product category, then model type. Turn on the Wi-Fi of the refrigerator. To activate the Wi-Fi, press the dedicated Wi-Fi button as per the model of the refrigerator for 3 seconds. Once activated, the Wi-Fi icon will start blinking on the refrigerator. Connect your mobile device to the LG refrigerator. For the password, if you are an iPhone user, the password will be last 4 characters of the LG refrigerator network name. Suppose if the LG refrigerator network name is ending with AB12, the password will be AB12. Here the password is E5B4. Once the connection between your smartphone and the refrigerator is established, the app will initiate the process to add the device and prompt you to connect to an active Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will take a moment to add the device. Upon successful addition, a confirmation will be displayed. With the successful setup, you can now take control of your LG refrigerator using the LG ThinQ app. Adjusting the temperature settings for both the fridge and freezer is subject to the terms and conditions specified for your refrigerator model. The temperature adjustment limits for the fridge and freezer may vary based on the specific features and capabilities of your appliance. Make sure to review and adhere to the terms and conditions associated with your refrigerator model to ensure proper use and functionality. Activate or deactivate the Express Freeze feature with a simple tap. This feature transforms the freezer section into a fridge, providing more storage space. Access detailed information about the refrigerator's temperature settings by selecting Go to Temperature Information. In the Ice Maker section, view details about ice making and switch between different ice modes. Note that this feature is available only with supported refrigerator models. Utilize Smart Care, which analyzes the appliance's surroundings and your usage patterns to optimize maintenance functions. Toggle the button to enable or disable this feature. Depending on your refrigerator model, you may find special settings like night view and quiet time. Explore the useful features section to check the status of your filter in the Filter Management section. Monitor energy usage, door opening and closing counts, water usage, and ice usage through the Energy Monitoring feature. Take advantage of Smart Diagnosis, a tool that quickly analyzes appliance errors and provides troubleshooting tips with just a click.